One. Good. Kick really hard, go really loud. Ready. Two. Good. Here we go again. So now your feet make the letter L like this. So point that foot. Now bring your heel up so it's even with the other heel. See how my heels are in a straight line here? Yeah. So now this leg here, this is the one that swings around and hits the target. Like, yeah, like you're swinging a baseball bat right at the target. Ready? Three! Yeah, so. This one comes this way. Okay, ready? One! One final one. Ready? Two! Now let's move into the second row. Here's number one, roundhouse, two roundhouse, three reverse scrunch.